You know, if you would have told me 5 years ago that I'd be sitting talking to a camera on my bed, excitedly holding 2 plungers, I would not have believed you. Yet, here we be. Hey guys, in today's video, we are making DIY advent calendars for just about $10. These are creative and family keepsakes. I hope you enjoy. First, we're making an advent Christmas tree using a Dollar Tree plunger. Yes, a plunger, because this is going to be the base of our Christmas tree. Dollar Tree sells twisty garland, and you can also get it from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And if you wait for 40% off, it's about the same price. The first thing you want to do is begin at the bottom of the plunger and start twisting this on to be tree branches. Go all the way up to the top, and then add some in between to fill in as you go to make the tree look as lush or as sparse as you want. I think they're 2 different looks and equally cute. It's smoking. This year, the Dollar Tree came out with wooden stickers, and they are adorable. Buy 2 packs of these and any type of number pack. This one came from the craft store, and it was about $2. Take off the sticky backing, and then you can stick the numbers right on the wooden pieces. You and your kids can add an ornament to the tree. This is such a fun craft. Optional, you can tie on some cute little berries to add some dimension to the tree, and you could even spray paint this white if you wanted to give it a brighter look. I used a Dollar Tree buffalo check scarf as a tree skirt, and I think it looks so cute. Next is a Count Your Blessings Advent Calendar. And not only can you make it in about 5 minutes, I think it's my favorite. If you go to the craft store for about $20, they sell big rustic boards. Wait for 50% off or 40% off coupon, putting these right around $10. You could use Dollar Tree clothespins, but I found some super cute numbered ones for just $2 on sale at the craft store. And this Count Your Blessings wooden sign was $2.99, 50% off, so just $1.50. Hang it on your wall, and every day during the month, maybe at dinner time, you and your family can write down something you're grateful for, something kind you did for somebody else, and add it to the clips. You could also do this reverse engineered and put a bunch of different ideas for blessing others with kindness, and each day take one off to complete as a family. I love advent calendars that are meant for kids. Take a $1 chalkboard you can pick up from any dollar section in a store and glue it onto wood. You can add any type of text you want, maybe countdown till Christmas, or if you want to, notes from Elf, like Elf on the Shelf. If they want to write a note to your child when they come in the morning, I think this is a super cute idea that kids would love. I know lots of people don't have Cricut machines, but Dollar Tree sells sticky stencils. They are great, just $1. Just cut them, peel, and spell it out, and then dab on your paint. And even if you get a little bit of bleed out like that, no worries, you can just go over it with chalk paint. It's not an exact science. I also love having Dollar Tree embellishments on the side of it. I think it makes it super cute, really whimsical, and the 3D effect looks really cool. We're making a Christmas tree advent calendar using those same boards from Hobby Lobby. Now you could use anything you wanted to. If you just had an old palette sitting around or even a Dollar Tree foam core board, the sky is the limit. Put your numbers in the shape of a Christmas tree, and I'm gonna have the file linked down below if you wanna use the exact same one. I took a Dollar Tree star and I broke off the back to glue to the top to give it some dimension. Put hooks or nails above each number, and then make a mini wreath. I just used a leftover garland tie and some embellishments that can be moved down the advent calendar. And for these numbers, if you don't have a Cricut machine, the Dollar Tree sells these little stickers, which you can put right on for the exact same effect. That's almost the same font. Let me know in the comments down below which of these calendars was your favorite or you plan to try, and you hit that subscribe button because I want to see you for more dollar store and inexpensive DIY videos. Merriest of Christmases. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you soon. Bye. Merry Christmas, Owen.
Merry Christmas, Mommy. Merry Christmas tree. Till tomorrow.